garage! Pull a bit of skin off. Your back.
Oh, Kim. How old are we?
Not as young as I used to.
You're not forever young anymore.
We'll just put that, that's why it sits up here. No.
Did we get a good one? Show us.
Oh yeah, we're going to have a good scab.
Ooh, yeah, she's a pearler.
Okay.
We learn these things, don't we? I had to get the camera because I knew it was going to end up in a stack.
Stop!